While growing up, I would go on car rides through the countryside with my dad. My favorite part was when we drove past a train, but they were always gone in an instant. As my fascination with trains grew, so did my desire to capture the moment of a train passing by. In my early childhood as a rail fan, someone who enjoys trains, I shot videos using my iPad or my phone. By the time I became a teenager, I felt like my videos needed to be improved. It was around this time that drones were becoming more affordable than ever. I realized that trains are the perfect subject for drone videography because they are moving targets in a wide open space. I took the plunge and bought my first drone, and I have never looked back. During my first drone flights, I was uncoordinated and flew with the mindset of setting the drone at a fixed point in the sky and letting it film. It took me a while to understand that a drone isn't just a flying camera, it's a flying, moving camera. Once I realized this, I began exploring how to use the drone's speed to my advantage. When I introduced movement into my aerial videos, it surprised me how much more engaging the content felt. This encouraged me to keep incorporating movement into my videos, which allowed me to develop an important skill: coordination. Having the ability to fly just how you want without having to think about it is what really elevated the quality of my filming, as I was able to focus more on what I was filming rather than how I was filming it. Although I didn't know it at the time, having these skills would allow me to produce videos more incredible than I could have ever imagined.